Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and appliances. Today, in this video, I will show the top 5 best multi-cookers in 2024. Whether you're a busy parent, a foodie, or just someone who loves convenience, a multi-cooker can be a game changer. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So let's get started. Starting off our list is the Breville Fast Slow Pro Multi-Cooker. Breville's stainless steel 6-quart multi-cooker is a top performer in our lab tests. The beef stew we made using both the pressure cook and slow cook settings was very tender with perfectly cooked meat and vegetables. The broth was flavorful and rich in color. It excels at making rice too, not a mushy grain in sight. After all that, the inner pot was easy to clean. Precision is the name of the game with this multi-cooker, which has 11 cook presets, customizable settings, and 8 pressure levels ranging from 1.5 to 12 psi. Lower pressure is great for more delicate foods, such as eggs, or anything likely to foam a lot, like rice. High pressure gives you fast results with tough cuts of meat, beans, and rich broths. The LCD screen includes a pressure indicator, countdown timer, and steam release indicator. The controls, including the auto steam release setting, are intuitive and easy to program. It even has an altitude adjust feature that fine-tunes the settings to match your boiling point. Next up, we have the Ninja SFP 701 Combi all-in-one multi-cooker. The Ninja Combi features 14 cooking functions, including bake, rice pasta, sauté, toast, slow cook, proof, sous vide, and a simultaneous combination of steam and air fry that Ninja says can take your dinner from freezer to table in under 30 minutes. The extra-large cooker is great for large families or entertaining because its Combi cooker pan accessory can fit 24 ounces of pasta or 4 cups of dry rice, while the bake tray can hold a 6-pound chicken, 2 pounds of fries, or a 10-inch pizza. What's unique is it can cook different foods at the same time. Moving on to our third pick, the Instant Pot Duo Plus. Instant Pot has over a dozen models, each with slightly different features, but the Instant Pot Duo Plus is the best value. It offers everything the baseline Duo does, including pressure cooking and slow cooking plus settings for more delicate foods like cakes and eggs without much additional cost. It also has an upgraded display that's bigger and brighter and lets you edit the cooking time and pressure level while the machine is in use. It offers 25 customizable smart programs with step-by-step instructions, a quieter steam release, an option to silence its alarms, and an anti-spin design so the inner pot won't move around while you're sautéing. Our fourth pick is the Cuisinart high-pressure multi-cooker. In our lab test, Cuisinart's multi-cooker slow cooked a tender beef stew that gave our top pick, the Breville, a run for its money. If this is your main mode of cooking, the Cuisinart is half the price of the Breville and slow cooks better than most other multi-cookers we tested. Plus, it made perfect rice that was tender and not at all mushy. The large LCD screen features easy-to-program settings, including an auto-steam pressure release and 11 cooking presets. The timer lets you see how much time remains before and after completion. The inner non-stick pot is dishwasher safe. Our experts found the appliance easy to use, take apart, clean, and assemble. Last but certainly not least, we have the Zavor Lux LCD multi-cooker. The Zavor Lux comes to pressure lightning fast, taking only 15 minutes in our lab test with water. Other multi-cookers took between 25 and 46 minutes. Our beef stew was very tender and juicy. The vegetables were perfectly al dente. The slow-cooked beef stew was slightly chewy and the rice was overcooked, so keep that in mind if you often use these cook settings. The machine has an LCD screen with 10 cooking functions and more than 30 programmable settings. The only thing we didn't like is that you must completely turn off the machine for it to release naturally. So, there you have it, our top 5 best multi-cookers in 2024. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if there's a multi-cooker you think should have made the list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!